Hey dolls, in today's wash day video, I'm partnering up with Curlsmith to talk all about the importance of scalp care and to show you how you can use their Detox Microbiome Scalp system to control and regulate your scalp. A clean scalp is a vital part in healthy hair growth, as a dirty scalp can lead to blocked hair follicles from buildup from sweat, excess oils, and dirt, which can result in issues such as inflammation to severe itching and dandruff. So the Curlsmith Detox Kit is a 3-step system that is going to stimulate, clarify, and cool down your scalp, all without stripping the hair of its natural moistures, which is going to help promote healthy scalp skin, maintain a normal pH, which in turn is going to help improve hair growth and reduce hair shedding. So the first step in the system is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. So this pre-wash treatment is going to stimulate the follicles, detangle the hair, and protect it from the stripping effects of clarifying. So the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer is formulated with rice water, which is known to be very beneficial for hair and scalp health. And as you guys can see, the product has a really slippery consistency and it smells really, really good. So to use this product, just wet your hair and apply the pre-wash treatment to your scalp before you shampoo, gently massaging it in. So you can utilize the slip from the product to easily finger detangle your hair as you allow the product to sit in your scalp for a few minutes. So once you're done detangling your hair, do not rinse it out. Instead, follow up immediately with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic, as the primer will protect your hair while the shampoo clarifies it. So this clarifying scrub shampoo has microfine exfoliating particles made of volcanic particles, which will exfoliate your scalp to remove flakes, dirt, dead skin cells, and buildup. So the Wash and Scrub Detox is formulated with apple cider vinegar, which is known to help balance hair and scalp pH, relieve scalp itchiness and flakiness, as well as really clarify and melt buildup and promote shine. So the product lathers up really easily and it smells really, really good as well, which is a plus because if you've ever done an ACV rinse, you know how bad it can smell. So that's definitely one of the many pros of this shampoo. So just really make sure you massage the shampoo into your scalp and throughout your hair to really break down the product buildup, and then just rinse it off thoroughly. Wow, okay, I had to come on here and tell y'all, like face to face, my hair does not feel stripped at all. It is like nowhere near dry. I'm really, really impressed by this. Very, very impressed. And I haven't even conditioned my hair, so wow. I'm extremely impressed, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, y'all, when I tell y'all my hair did not feel stripped at all and it just felt really amazing from just using those two products without even using the conditioner yet, I was really shook, y'all, like for real. I was extremely impressed. So after you rinse out the shampoo, follow up with the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. So this rinse out conditioner is going to moisturize your hair, provide slip to aid with detangling, and cool and soothe your scalp and reestablish pH and moisture balance to your scalp after the clarifying process. So it has a creamy consistency with a great slip, and this also smells really, really good.
Ooh, it smells good.
It smells good?
Uh-huh.
It does smell good. It kind of smells like peppermint.
Yeah.
And it makes your hair tingle. I like this, y'all.
Yeah, I like it.
You haven't even tried it.
No, you tried it. You said it girls make.
Kellyanne, get out of here. Bye. 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 No, but for real, y'all. Y'all heard Kylie. This smells good. And it makes your hair tingle. And it's moisturizing. This whole kit's just bomb. Bomb.com.
Ooh, I like it.
You like it?
Yep.
Okay. So this conditioner contains mint and tea tree essential oils that I'm telling y'all will just tingle and cool down your scalp and leave it feeling so good. I mean, incredibly good. Tea tree oil is known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties to help reduce inflammation and itchiness. So just apply the conditioner throughout wet hair and allow it to sit for at least 1 to 2 minutes before you rinse it out. I was extremely impressed at how clean and moisturized the entire detox system left my hair, and I would highly recommend, listen you guys, I would highly recommend that you beauties check this out. You are not going to be disappointed. You can thank me later. I'm telling you, I was extremely impressed by this kit. It's definitely something that I'm going to be incorporating into my regimen once a month moving forward, since I wash my hair once a week. Now, if you wash your hair every day, you can use the detox kit once a week. Or if you wash your hair, say 2 to 3 times a week, then you can aim for using the scalp system every other week. So the Detox Microbiome Scalp System is available to purchase at www.curlsmith.com. So be sure to check the description box for all the details on the kit, as well as more information on Curlsmith. Comment below and let me know if you've tried this yet, or let me know what your favorite Curlsmith product is. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And of course, follow me on Instagram at @NaturalLucia for more natural hairstyles and videos. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching.